Today I'm going to show you guys how I got these super pretty and long jumbo box braids using the rubber band method. This is super beginner friendly, so make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let's go ahead and get started. What's up, you guys? We're back with your girl I Rock, and I went ahead and I twisted my hair just to stretch it. I have 4C hair, so if you have a kinky texture hair, I would recommend you guys stretch your hair out. So here you go. I have my afro popping. So I'm just showing you guys how I make the part on the side of my head. I'm making it as straight as I possibly can. Do not stress making your part super straight, especially if you're beginners. Just do the best that you can and move on. So now that I have my part to my liking, I went ahead and I'm starting with Eco Style just to try to get my hair, the root of my hair, to lay down. I know a lot of people use jam to do this part, but jam does nothing for my thick 4C hair, like literally at all. Jam is like oil on my hair. So yeah, I do not like using jam. And I'm going in with black castor oil. I have it in that tube right there just to grease my scalp or oil my scalp. My scalp is normally absolutely dry like all the time, so this part is definitely essential. Brushing my hair down to get it as flat as possible. Then I'm using extra virgin olive oil. So here's the rubber band, and I like to dip my rubber band in oil one at a time, and I'm using that to secure that part right there. I dip my rubber band in oil to prevent my rubber band from snagging on my hair, so I recommend you guys do that as well. And I got the twisting method from The Chic Natural. I will link her YouTube in the description down below. I was just showing you guys, my scalp was super dry and like just flaking and horrible. So make sure you guys oil your scalp. I went down the middle, just showing you guys how I made my part. Oil my scalp. Do not forget to oil your scalp, ladies. So I'm making sure I leave the edges out that I want. And I use a different brush for my edges. If you guys have watched me before, you guys know I use a softer brush for my edges. And there you go. I have the front of my head done. And I have my edges left out. Oh, my son totally woke up. He went to get on camera. Shout out to all my YouTube moms. It'd be hard sometimes having to record while you have kids. But yeah, I just kept it pushing. I just kept them on my lap and I kept going. So now I have majority of my hair in the rubber bands. I have 3 rows in the back. I have 3 rows. I have 3 twists in the back. I have 4 on the next row. And then the row after that, I have 5. And I tried to make sure that I put the squares in between so it could fall between the other hair, just so it could be fuller. I hope that makes sense. If that doesn't make sense, you guys can check out other YouTubers that actually can explain well, but I did my best. So I'm all done now. Super excited. It literally took forever. As you guys can see, it was like light outside. So I had 3, 4, 5, 6. I had 2 at the top, and I had 6 around the front of the perimeter of my head. So now I'm going in with the raw Shea Butter to moisturize the length of my hair. I'm starting off with some blonde hair, and I will go into more detail on how to start off the braid in the next braid I show you guys, but I'm just quickly showing you guys how I attach the blonde hair and braid it onto my strand. And that's the beauty of the rubber band method, because it makes it so much easier than without having the rubber band method. All you have to do is attach the hair onto your hair, braid, and then you're done. So I have the hair, and on one side I break that into 2 parts, and I twist it around 2 to 3 times, and I did that 3 times, and then I attach it onto my hair. Let me know in the comments down below, like, if you guys have any questions, I can like answer it for you guys. I'm also going to do this like 2 to 3 more times, just so you guys can actually like hopefully get what I'm doing. So I am done with the first 2 braids, and as you guys see, I was super excited. They're all the way down. They're super long. You guys will see at the very end how long my braids are. Super cute. And now I'm going into with the orange/red. I hope you guys can see that a lot clearer against my black hair. So half of my head is done. I was super excited, as you guys can see, but the easiest part is braiding the hair, and the hardest part is actually parting the hair into the squares. So I just want to let you guys know that. But yeah, it's super easy. Like literally anybody can do it. So this is the last braid I'm going to show you guys, so make sure you pay attention. Just attaching it onto my hair, super easy. Oh yeah, I already previously stretched the hair in order to get it to be as long as it is. So yeah, I just stretched it a little bit more. So I'm using the Eco Style to create these baby hairs. Now I'm dipping my hair in hot water. Be very careful doing this. This is definitely essential because it's basically going to seal the ends of your hair so it doesn't unravel. So I have my towel there, so just be very careful. And I am done. As you guys can see, it's super long and it's pretty. And I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the visuals and take it all in. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to do box braids. It was super easy, and this is my first time doing box braids, so if I can do it, trust me, you can do it as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, sis, like, do you see all this? I be serving you guys. I be trying to give the best content that I can. If you're not up on it, you're gonna be missing out. So go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys are interested in seeing more of me and the videos that I've posted on YouTube, I will post 2 videos right here so you guys can check those out. But once again, don't forget to like, comment, and sis, if you're not subscribed, 1 2 3 subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.